I'm Derek Byrne, I'm the marketing manager at Fleetwood Paints. We're here today celebrating 75 years of the business. We've been manufacturing paints here in Virginia since the late 1970s, and we wanted to open it up today to the families of the people who work here, the local people who live in the surrounding areas, the schools and past retirees, to bring them down, see how the place has changed over the last 50 years and give an insight on how the people who work here manufacture the paint that we make.
I'm David McCoy, Head of Sales at Fleetwood Paint. It's been an amazing day so far. We've lots of people, many generations that have worked here over the years, come and visit the factory, see how it's grown over the last 75 years in terms of the investment in the facility. It's been a great day to kind of just celebrate what is an amazing occasion for us as a business.
My name is Stan Buckley. I'm the Managing Director of FSW Coatings. Today we've invited over 600 people to the factory. They're going to go on a tour of the factory. They're going to look at how paint is made, look at all the ingredients. They're going to look at our new robotics, look at our laboratories, and they're going to take a walk around our environmental site. We have a 1 kilometre walkway, which is a bee pollinator site, a nature reserve, and they're going to have a look at our meadows. So we're celebrating our founders of the business, Andrew Doyle, Conor Doyle and Breen Doyle, going back to 1950.